So it's a pretty slippery outside, but also that's good for the algorithm because a falling baby is like the best thing on TikTok. And this timing, of course. So it's summer in Iceland, so it will be this bright, 5 in the morning. And you might think, that's not too bad, until you realize that most Icelanders are trying to sleep 5 in the morning. Every time someone thinks about buying a dog, someone goes, oh no, you should not buy a dog because you have to walk it every day. This guy would not fall asleep unless he gets his walk a day. But no one warns you about that. And at least the dog only gets like 12. Spending time with your kids is really important. If you have any. It's pretty hard to walk to school when you live in Iceland. People think Magnus is always just falling because he is like bad at walking. One of the benefits of living in a small town in Iceland is that I could just leave my 3-year-old in the playground and come back tomorrow. He will be gone, but he will not have been kidnapped. If your baby is not eating his vegetables, just throw them on the floor. They will eat everything as long as it's on the ground. In Iceland, if you get paid under the table, it's a black job. But a blowjob is with a mouth and penis. A toddler finding a puddle is really exciting because it's like a mirror they can drink. So a lot of people ask me why I don't get verified, and that is because in one of the 600 videos I made, this little fella called this mountain Hommatittur, but it is called Hólmatindur. And Hommatittur means a faggot, so that's why I can't get verified. I've tried. Magnús, hvað heitir fjallið?
Hommatittur.
In Iceland, when the weather is beautiful, we say it's a beautiful weather. But in Icelandic.